Good morning, we've woken up really early at almost 1 a.m. I'm just kidding, it's 1 p.m. and there is sunlight. But we have been awake for a few hours. Corrado,
what's up?
What are you doing?
Working on Dark Troopers.
Working on what?
Dark Troopers.
What's Dark Troopers?
The Star Wars video Jedi thing in the barn we shot 4 months ago.
What? Why isn't that up on YouTube yet?
Because it's
whoa.
It's got a lot of us.
That looks great. Show me something really cool. Whoa, okay, whoa, don't show any Corrado. The video's not up yet, buddy. You can't show them everything before it goes up. Just because the video's taken 4 months to make doesn't mean you can just start sneaking peeks at things. Good, carry on. Move along. Sam?
Yeah.
What are you working on?
Working on Idea Boost.
Idea Boost.
Stuff.
I remember when we won that thing.
Yeah.
Can you tell them what you're working on?
It's a secret.
It's a secret?
It's a secret.
But we shouldn't keep any secrets from the vlog.
The vlog will find out very soon.
How soon?
Like, soon.
Sam, the people need to know. Also, that's a really big sweater.
Thank you.
Well, carry on. Keep on. Hey, look, 0 days until you're up. Interesting. Good, good, good. You guys just keep working. You two, here, you guys. Good. Shirt, just be there. Saskia, what are you working on?
Nadine.
What? I don't understand. You can't work on humans.
Well, no, see, she's right there.
What?
I'm working on Nadine, and she's talking and stuff, and then I'm putting things
Hey, that's me.
other people on
Is that me and
top
Tim
of it.
Deegan?
Sure is.
I love Tim Deegan.
There's Nadine right there.
Okay.
And the trippies and food.
So what is this for?
Kentucky.
That trip is over, man. Stop living in the past.
I got 2 more days.
Oh, okay.
There's
So
2 more days of video that need to be done.
I see.
So this is day 8, and then there's day 9. And if you haven't seen 1 through 7, you should go to youtube.com/Kentucky.
I've seen days 1 through 7 on youtube.com/Kentucky.
But some of the people in there might not have.
In there. Hello? Hello? Is anybody in there? What are you working on? You look like Elliot. Oh, just because of the red hoodie! You don't look like a boy. What are you working on? Stop hiding your face. I just want to see you.
I'm working on more backgrounds for the apprentices.
What? The Apprentices? You mean that cartoon that goes up on youtube.com?
Yeah, remmer that thing that you hired me to do? I'm doing that.
Oh, maybe I should start paying you. Okay, keep up the good work. Okay. Alright.
What are you doing?
What?
We're all doing stuff.
Yeah?
And what are you doing?
I'm working on the vlog, the daily vlog, youtube.com/ApprenticeA, spelled with an EH, not ApprenticeA, but it's ApprenticeA. Just vlogging. Just vlogging! Is that enough for you? What more do you need? If you cut me, do I not bleed blood?
What else are you working on?
I am, aside from vlogging and looking at my sucks, I am doing producer email work on As Long As You Like Me, our Justin Bieber parody. Corrado, there's so many things that we're working on.
It's a lot of things.
And we're working on all of them now that we are home from Europe. Yeah. Corrado, look at this face. Does this look like the face of somebody who could be Justin Bieber?
No.
Then why are we making a video?
Because you have to shave and cut your hair.
I do. Well, I'm not going to cut my hair. Nicole's going to cut my hair.
You know what will make you like Justin Bieber?
What's
Sugar.
Candy.
All the sugar.
Candy.
Straight up marshmallow sugar. You are failing at this.
What are we gonna do for Halloween candy? Yeah!
I don't know.
Last year we bought mountains of Halloween candy.
So this year we'll buy mountains of Halloween candy.
And I'm gonna eat it all.
You're gonna get fat.
Hello vlog, Rianna here. As some of you may know, I sleep in the basement. And last night at around 4 a.m. there was this really annoying clicking noise or something. And I thought I was going insane. But then it turned out to be coming from this general direction. This machine right here has been clicking non-stop since last night. And I don't know why, and I'm really concerned, but I'm also really annoyed because I stayed up all night listening to this. And it's not even like a consistent clicking, it's like intermittent, so like I would listen to it in my bed and then I would like finally walk out of my room ready to just like punch whatever was making the noise and it would stop! It's so very frustrating because I don't know how to stop it, and if I shut it off, the house might blow up, so I guess I'm stuck with it. See, it stopped! It just stopped! You can't hear it! Oh, there it goes! And it's gonna stop. It's so annoying.
Way yet, there you go, there you go.
Corey, what is that? Corey, oh, Corey, what is that machine?
I don't know, but I heard you say, there it goes, and I got really excited.
Oh.
So I guess you should probably take this down since Europe is long over and done with, but it just makes me sad.
No.
What needs to happen is we need to somehow arrange for those numbers to just change to a bigger number.
Oh, right.
And then
so
that
we're gonna
can
go
stay there
again,
forever.
and we'll just have an infinite countdown.
It is likely that we will be going on another Kentucky trip,
Oh.
but it is not necessarily going to be Europe.
Right.
So
We'll just days till trip.
I think you could leave them, put days till Kentucky trip, and then a question mark.
Yes.
Okay.
And then every day you could pull off the question mark and have another question mark
And then once
underneath.
upon a time there will be a number.
And then just one day you'll pull it off and it'll be like 100. And it'll take forever to count down.
Ta-da!
Do you guys remember that White Lines video I was working on a while ago? Well, I was waiting on music and whatnot, and I finally found some great music, and I finally got around to doing this. Filming the whole little outro bit. So now the video is actually done, and I'm gonna put it up tomorrow on Friday, probably somewhere around the afternoon. So be ready for that, because it's a little bit weird, but I think you're gonna like it.
Give me daily vlogs, I want them in my subscription box. I wonder who might drop by, even though sometimes it's Canada outside. So don't go away, we're here every day. It's not ApprenticeA, it's ApprenticeEh. Hey, 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 hey.